So one of the important topic, another important topic which they would love to ask is about the deep peroneal nerve. So previously we have discussed about the long thoracic nerve, which is very high yield for the boards, and the same way even the deep peroneal nerve is also a favorite question for the examiner to ask you in the boards, the step exams, at the same time in the MCA exam. So let us discuss some things about the deep peroneal nerve, and we'll also be discussing the questions which are previously repeated about this deep peroneal nerve. So coming to this deep peroneal nerve, first of all, let me draw the posterior aspect. See, this is L4, right? And this is S1, S2, S3 and S4. Okay, so here I've got the posterior region of the thigh. So this will be the posterior region of the thigh. This will be the posterior region of the thigh, and medially you will have the tibia over here, right? And laterally you will have the fibula. So this bone here, this is called as a fibula, and this bone which I am highlighting now, this is called as your tibia, right? So let me also draw the anterior aspect so that it would be easy. So in the same way, here we have got the tibia, right, and here we have got your fibula, right? Now look here basically starting on from L4, from the L4, L4, L5, S1, S2, S3 and S4, from L4 to LS4, okay, from L4 to S4 we have got a nerve, the thickest nerve in the body. I already told you this is also called as a pregnant nerve. So this nerve, which is also the thickest, and it is also called as a pregnant nerve, which passes posterior part of your thigh, which passes along your posterior part of your thigh. So this nerve here you call it as the sciatic nerve. So what is the root value of sciatic nerve? Sciatic nerve root value is from L4 to S4. Okay, so this sciatic nerve comes all the way like this. As you know that here you have got a fossa. What is that? This fossa here, it is called as popliteal fossa, right? This is your popliteal fossa. Now the sciatic nerve passes all the way into the popliteal fossa, and here the sciatic nerve divides into two. One nerve which passes laterally to the anterior part, and another nerve which passes exactly posteriorly down like this. So this nerve which is passing posteriorly down, before that I also wanted to tell you one important